I usually use volume profile, supply demand, majorly timing for the volatility. These are my main strategies, main things which I use to have any entry. If I want to show, if I show where I can take the entry and how it will be, I'll show you. See, today, when for the March, Friday, May 1st, market opened at around 4628, and all the way it was fully a bearish, and it is touched the overall week of the support. This week support around 4567. This area it is touched and it is taking the reversal. So where I can take the entry and how it will be. Let me explain you. See how I will use this volume profile to my advantage. I know that the supply and that here I can see there is a demand here. There is a full support here. Let's say 4 5. This is the support area. I can say this is support area. Support area. Where from here it is reversing. But how I can take? You take the volume profile. Let's say, let me take a 5 minutes candle. I am an Indian and I use 5.3 plus UTC. So if I see, let's take this fixed volume profile till the last, and it shows that here this is the full support, and where there are so many sellers and buyers have been orders placed and it is executed. And there here one more area. So how we can take this entry here? You see here, if you see very closely, if you see, this is the area where we can see entry, because this is the first, I mean, first it is touched and again it has induced and taken away the liquidity. So this is the second point, and here from here you can take the entry. So here we can take, and till here, how many pips? How many pips? Let's say, how many pips are there? Around, let's say, from here, almost 50. Wait a minute. From here, I can say up to here we can take up to here. It is 270 pips. This is $27 move. It's a big movement. It's a big move. And timing also is important. If you see here, the timing is most important thing. See, London is very, very famous for the reversal. And all the way, it is touched today full support area. And whatever was there, this is inducement in the last 2 days. So I can say this is this is my area where I can take the entry. And not only that, timing also is important. So if I see here the timing, it is around 16.35, which is around London is taking again the reversal from here to till this node, volume node. This is the more magnet area, and this is the full sale value, and I can even say this is the fair value gap. and volume is very less, I can say. So from here to here, there is an entry. So all the way from here to here, the entry can be taken and exit also can be taken for around to 17, 170 pips, which is almost 5.5, almost 6.6 is to 1 is to 6.62 ratio. This is the profit area. This is the profit we can take.